he wants to build a system of fences around the entire terrain and across. Without spending too much.
We know that the formula for area and perimeter are this one. So now we're going to substitute the value that we know, which is 1 million feet squared, equals the base times the height. We should isolate one of these variables, which it should be, and we have our height that we can substitute in here. Then our formula for perimeter should be this. As we solve 2 times 1.5 million, we use this as our base formula for perimeter and for optimizing. Now we need to derivate and optimize. This for having only one variable and then for solve for b. We know that the derivative of this function is this is the derivative. Now we should solve for b. For b equal to 0. So it is a total of 2 over 3 million, and b is minus 1/2 equals b. We should have radical here should be the square. So it is a total of 3 over 2 because of the minus. And it is also result of our formulas for area and perimeter. Now we're going to apply the data that we know, 1.5 million feet squared. And now we're going to solve for one of our variables. And we substituted in our perimeter formula so that we get less variables and we can get easily our side of the rectangle. Now we solve these parentheses. And here is our formula for perimeter, which we are going to use. Write our function then for derivative. Look, we need to derivate for having only one variable in our equation, and also for optimizing and solving easily for our rectangle. And the derivative of this function is and now we solve this to 0 for isolating our h. And h should be equal to the square root of 1.5 times 10 to the 6th, and we get the final result of this. Now that we have one of our sides, we need to solve for the other side, and this by using our area formula. And this gives us the exact result as we have later. And this is our base. So we know that the area is equal to the side squared. This means that we have an optimized rectangle, which is a square.
Optimized rectangle, all the sizes of the rectangle are the same, so to get the area would be the same as taking the area of the square. And to get the perimeter, we can simply use the formula of perimeter, which will be multiplying 5 times the size of the side, because we have 4 sides and the parallel fence, which will be 5 times this size. And the perimeter is 6,123.75 feet. And that is the size of the perimeter of our optimized rectangle. Thank you. For your attention. If you have any doubts, just ask now.